Blue-Eyed Rider here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the custom LED taillight into your 2020-2021 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. Let's get to it. To get to the taillight, you have to remove the rear seat, the front seat, and the rear seat cover. I've made tutorials covering how to do this, which you can watch now. Otherwise, we're just going to move through this. Okay, once you have your cover off, we're going to remove these bolts back here. If you have the USB adapter on here, you're going to need a little screwdriver. Come in underneath and push downward on a tab to get it to release. And you can just move that off to the side. You are going to want to take your toolkit out. There's 2 more bolts under that. We want to take all 4 out. They use a size 5 hex key socket or bit. And honestly, you don't need to remove these all the way. This is just so you can get the back to drop a little bit, get a better angle on the bolts for the taillight assembly. And screw it, you'll notice the rear fender drops down. And this will let you get to the 2 bolts back here. So you don't need to pull them out all the way. Once that's dropped, you will need a size 8mm socket. And take these 2 bolts out back here that are right next to the taillight. Just be careful you don't drop anything, or you're going to have to take your whole fender off probably to get the stuff back. You'll notice your taillight comes loose. So there's a bolt, washer, and a rubber grommet that's inside the taillight assembly. Now this one, the left-hand bolt has a support for the wiring. So you're going to have to be extra careful you don't drop that washer. And the washer goes on, at least on mine, it was installed under the wiring bracket. And the wiring, you could just kind of pull out here, push down on this little tab, and unplugs. Now, I got the smoked custom LED. I was hoping to match my factory smoke. But you'll notice that it's actually quite a bit lighter. I'm a little disappointed in that. Maybe they sent me the wrong one. I don't know. I'll reach out to them. Not a big deal. It'll hopefully still look good. So right now I'm undoing the wiring. Factory wiring. I'm going to plug this in here. Okay, so while I'm thinking about it, this does not have any of the this doesn't have any of the rubber grommets, so I'm going to move them from the factory one. They're really easy to get out. So if you go from the bottom, it's got a metal piece. I just cut myself. Careful, sharp. And just pull it out. And with your new one, so it came in from the underside, all right? So you'll just push them through. Attempt to push them through. You know, it takes a little time. Just work your way around. Pull it up. Get pushed through from the other side. Small flathead might help. make it a little easier. On down. Different tactic. I'm folding it up before I push anything in. I'm pulling it into the hole. Let's have it too. Boom. That definitely worked a lot better. We are only concerned about the main harness wire right now. The green and the brown wire are for the turn signals. And I am not doing anything with my turn signals right now. Not doing anything with the turn signals right now until I get a tail eliminator. Fender eliminator, tail eliminator, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so I'm just zip tying these up temporarily. Plugging it in. Now, before I go through all the effort of packing this away and getting it all bolted back down, I am going to turn on the bike and see if it works. Gonna say it works. Now we can install it. Now remember, you have the cable management thing that goes on the wires here that I just dropped. Pain in the neck. So you have this piece that needs to continue to hold the wires. Taillight wire, and well, it's actually holding my rear camera wire too. Okay, so run the bolt through first. That's the only way it'll work. Okay, and tighten up those 4 bolts we didn't take out all the way. Alright, that's the 5. Alright, so the taillight's assembled. Now we put our rear seat cover back on. Put our seats back on and check it out. Okay. Now we got the taillight on. Looking good. So it helps alert people when you're stopping. But again, I got this because it also has the turn signals built in. I'm going to get the fender eliminator, tail eliminator, whatever, and then use the signals in the light. So look for that video. It will be coming on getting that hooked up. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you'd like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.